Ready to unlock the world of Apple products with your credit card? Let's dive into how it's done. First, for online purchases, head over to Apple.com, find that shiny new gadget you've been eyeing and add it to your bag. Click on the bag icon and proceed to checkout. You'll arrive at the payment section here. Select credit card as your payment method. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Carefully double-check for typos. Now, for in-person purchases at an Apple store, using Apple Pay with your credit card is super convenient. First, add your credit card to your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your card. You may need to verify it with your bank. At the Apple Store, simply let the cashier know you'll be using Apple Pay. Then, hold your iPhone near the contactless reader. Confirm the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You'll see a checkmark on the screen when it's successful. To manage your payment methods, go to your Apple ID settings on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on Payment and Shipping. Here, you can add, remove, or update your credit card information. Remember to keep your payment information updated to avoid any issues. Apple uses robust security measures to protect your credit card information. Your card details are encrypted and never shared with merchants. And that's it. Using your credit card in the Apple ecosystem is simple and secure. Enjoy your new Apple goodies.